What's going on, everybody? It's your boy James, and in this video we're going to be touring you guys the second phase of the first video. Yeah, we're going to be touring you guys what's being developed and whatnot. But yeah, you're looking at the Wilson Regent community right here, but right on the right of that, those are the new collections and builders that are planning to build, right? So we're just doing a 360 tour of the area real quick, just to show you guys where we're at and where we left off. We toured the lodge and we toured the school already, and then we toured the other communities, but I wanted to show you. So that right there is the Woodside home, and that huge chunk of land right there that you're seeing above me, that is the phase, that's the second phase of the commercial area. Okay, so that right there is the road commercial area right here, where they're planning to work on building coffee shops and just, you know, make it more of like a marketplace area. All right, but anyways, we're flying right now toward the Wilson Elevation Series. These Wilson Elevation Series, they do come with their own HOA, and they do have their own private pool, and it's gated. All right, there's just a little bit more HOA, but it's gated, and it has its own private pool, and it's more secured. All right, the homes here is currently right now, we're in 2023, ranging in the $400,000 range. All right, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,600 plus square feet. But yeah, we're going to be flying through that site, and then right in front of us, what you're seeing is that's the Wilson Phase 2. Okay, the Woodside Phase 2. Right, so that's the Woodside Phase 2. And then we're going to be showing you guys quite a bit of stuff also, so like where the high school is going to be at, where the recreational center is going to be at. So right now, what you're seeing is that is the Wath and Castrano home. Okay, I believe right there, those are the Ariat collection. The Ariat collections are in the low 400s, yeah, I mean, we're flying over some of the homes that are going to be move-in ready relatively soon. All right, and then after that, we're going to be flying over the Emery series for the Wath and Castrano home. So this is what it looks like, all the way toward the far right of Riverstone. So let's go ahead and keep touring, you guys. I want to show you guys. So right there, those are the model homes, right? All right, so keep touring the Ariat and the Emery. All right, so those are the model homes that you're seeing. Okay, and then we're going to be showing you guys the Artisan series for the Wath and Castrano. So as we keep on pushing down, you'll see the Artisan series. And then right there, see that huge chunk of green land right there? Half of that would be the second phase of the recreational center, right across from the model for the area, for the Artisan series. Okay, so you see the Artisan series right across from that, that right there, right, that huge chunk of green right there. I believe that is going to be the second phase for the recreational center. I think it's about 3 times or 2 times bigger than the lodge. All right, at least that's what's being proposed right now. So as you keep on flying, that's the Granville right there. You see those 3 houses right in front of me? Those are the Granville. They're working on building their Granville collections down there, and they are selling. So if you guys are interested, send us a text. We'd love to help you guys out. Or jump on our calendar, go to Buy With Fam, or buywithfam.com. So yeah, so these are the Granville. You can tell because they're a little bit bigger, and the backyard is bigger, and that has the 3-car garage. Okay, so that's the beautiful thing about it. But we're gonna keep on flying, and then I'm gonna show you what the next thing that we're gonna show you all the way down this way would be the Bonadelli. All right, so the Bonadelli, they have their Magnolia collection also as well. And the Magnolia collections is it's similar to Wisteria Creek. They have the Savannah, they have the Raleigh, but they have different collections out there. So they have their trailer, and they do have their model, but their model's not open yet. So if you want to see the model, they only have one model, but they're working on all 4 of those collections right over there, and we'll tour that down the line just to show you what it looks like. Yeah, so those are the Bonadelli second collection that they're working on, and yeah, so all of that will be developed in the future, guys. So that right there, that lone house right on that corner, that is the model, okay? And every single other ones that they're selling, but all of those lands are going to be developed in the near future. It's a 20-25 year development, but yeah. So here's the Leonard, guys. The Leonard. So they're planning to release the Leonard to sell. They have the Coral series, they have their Surf series, and I believe they have their Orchid series that's going to be released. And they rename and rebrand all this stuff, but all those land right there is going to be continuously built. I believe Leonard owned about like 92 plus acres, and you know, they're selling it off to builders, right? To build local builders, and you can see that car is just like doing the roundabout and all that stuff. And but yeah, we'll go ahead and do a spin pretty quickly, just to show you guys. But yeah, all those acreage right there, Leonard owns quite a bit, and they're working on the land, right? They're grading it, they're building the road, the roundabout, and everything, which is really nice. But yeah, we're going to try to keep this video around like 10-minute long. Just, you know, but guys, if you like this type of stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe. But yeah, so here's all the Leonard. And yeah, we're going to be flying, showing you guys the phases and everything. They are planning to release those series July, right? Mid-July 2023. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it, right? You see all that chunk of land right there? And right behind the Leonard are the Wilson. And right there, we're going to fly toward the high school area where they're planning to build a high school soon. But before that, I'm just going to show you guys, we're going to fly through on the right side, guys, right above my head. That right there is the Wathen Castrano Lafayette builder. Those are about 10,000 square feet lot. But yeah, so all of this is going to be Leonard. They're planning to release it soon, starting July. And yeah, you see all that, and that's the basin right there, and that's where on the right side, that's where you go to, you know, run and jog and all that stuff, and all that those behind the those are walking trail. They'll work on building, you know, homes in that area in the near future. But you see that all that is going to be developed, all right? And this is what you're seeing, right? So yeah, that is the Riverstone first phase. This is the second phase collection that they're working on. Quite a bit of land, right? But yeah, we're gonna be flying toward the high school soon. But that right there, the green stuff that you're seeing, that is the second lodge, right? We call that the second recreational center, but which is huge, right? A huge area, second recreational center. It's gonna be amazing. But yeah, we're going to be flying out to the high school, and I believe the high school is right there on the corner, right there. That green, huge green patch right behind those home right there. Those are going to be the high school, and we're going to be flying through that. If you guys want to, know more about it, we can kind of show you guys. But the high school will be probably, based on what I'm seeing, it's going to be about like 3 times bigger than the elementary school. Okay, so that right there, that green land right there that you're seeing, that is where the high school is gonna be built. All right, that's where they propose it. Once the populations in the southeast Madera start growing, and once the Riverstone start growing, that's where the high school right there. That is the high school. At least that's the proposed high school that are gonna be built. All right. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this roundabout. And there's gonna be a lot of cool stuff being developed here, no, it's super exciting. Anyways, I'm gonna be cutting this video relatively around 10 minutes, but just want to show you guys what's being developed. Granville, Wath and Castrano, the high school, the recreational center, the second phase recreational center, and the elevation, the Wilson elevations, and all that good stuff. All right. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this type of video, this type of content. This is James with the Fam Real Estate Group. We're gonna be signing out. Peace and love, guys. Peace and love.